It has been known for some time that meat and dairy products fuel the climate crisis. In a report from the United Nations Environment Program, it was stated that animal products, both meat and dairy, in general require more resources and cause higher emissions than plant-based alternatives. Not only do cattle take more energy to produce, but through a natural digestive process, enteric fermentation, they also release methane, or CH4, which is another greenhouse gas. A study in New Zealand showed that 57% of greenhouse gas emissions in food production come from meat and dairy products, while only 29% of greenhouse gas emissions come from plant-based foods. It has even been predicted that meat and dairy could account for 80% of our greenhouse gas emission budget by 2050. In short, animal-based food products create more greenhouse gases and contribute to our worsening climate change significantly more than plant-based foods. One scary fact, the greenhouse gas emissions per gram of protein for beef and lamb are 250 times those of legumes. So if 20 servings of vegetables have fewer greenhouse gas emissions than one serving of beef, why are we not changing our ways? In many industrialized countries, we focus on consuming animal products and many empty calories. It has been projected that by 2050, diets will contain fewer servings of fruits and vegetables, 60% more empty calories, and 25 to 50% more pork, poultry, beef, dairy, and eggs. This will lead to an 80% increase in our greenhouse gas emissions for food production and will contribute to a great amount of habitat destruction due to the clearing of land for agriculture. With all this being said, diets high in fatty, red, processed meats can lead to cardiovascular problems and tiredness among people. So how do plant-based diets benefit us and the environment? In one report, it was expressed that shifting to a plant-based diet could improve human health and lead to a substantial reduction in greenhouse gas emissions in industrialized countries. Therefore, increasing your intake of whole grains, fruits and vegetables, legumes, nuts and seeds, while decreasing your consumption of red and processed meats can even help you attain balanced energy levels and maintain your weight. These healthy plant-based diets with fewer refined grains and sugar-sweetened beverages have been shown to lower cardiovascular risk and lower greenhouse gas emissions, our use of cropland, irrigation water, and nitrogen fertilizer. So my question to you, will you shift to a plant-based diet to help yourself and the environment?